And the race is on. Touch of class from the outside. Diamond Quest down on the inside. Sir Frederick Grand Game alongside is Banay Banay. It's now touch of class Diamond Quest, Sir Frederick. And on the outside is Grand Game Conquista Boy Banay Banay Atoy. For us down on the inside, Jupiter Thunder, Michaela's Music, and 2A Speed to Riches is running at the tail of the field. Sir Frederick, and on the outside is Grand Game. Touch of Class Racing by Darrell. Conquista Boy racing from the outside. Rounding the far turn, Sir Frederick, and on the outside is Grand Game. Touch of Class Racing third, rushing up Conquista Boy, Jupiter Thunder. Atoy for us down on the inside. Diamond Quest, Banay Banay. Michaela's music as they race the final corner. Sir Frederick Grand Game, firing out for the lead. Jupiter Thunder from the outside. Grand Game, Sir Frederick Biderel. Grand Game, Sir Frederick Biderel. But still Grand Game and Sir Frederick. And finally, number 5, Grand Game, Sir Frederick Jupiter Thunder. Touch of Class, Banay Banay, Conquista Boy, Atoy for us, Diamond Quest, 2A Speed to Riches, and Michaela's Music.